What up, y'all? What up, y'all? All right, we in a different area today. Right now, we're in Leland, fishing this pier. I guess it been here. I could have like 2 years. I should fish here a long time ago, but it was on the boat. So you know what I'm saying. So I'll come back up here and fish it. And I know usually at this pier it holds like red drum, black drum, sometimes flounder and catfish. So we're gonna sit here and mess around, see what's going on. See, we got the pole set up. You see what it look like? And got a nice pier, y'all. See that pier right here? Got a pier. Boom, 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 boom. It look nice and all that stuff. So we're gonna fool with this. We're gonna see what's gonna happen and see what we do. All right, stay tuned. Welcome to Addition to the Wild, saltwater and freshwater fishing. Now sit back and relax and have some fun. Please stay tuned. Word up, y'all. Word up, y'all. All right, we still fishing and stuff, though. We got us some minnow stuff. We got Leslie, he on the post with the minnows, catching minnows and stuff, so check him out. So we got some minnows and stuff. Trying to see, you know, basically, you know what I'm saying, catch some red drum probably, maybe. We don't know, but we having fun. If we do catch something today or we don't catch something today, the point is coming out having fun. That's the point of it now, so that's why it's called fishing. So we're gonna see what happens. Stay tuned. All right, what we got, boy?
It looks like a nice tail too.
We had a guard on. You might ask him to help you pull it up. Oh, you alright? That's good. Go get the net, Sean. Keep right here. Let's hold him on there. That's straight.
Might have been with that other boat.
That's like one of them Florida guards, don't it?
Yeah.
Down in Florida. Guess what, man? You gotta take that thing off, boy. You gotta get messing with them teeth. I ain't getting messing with them. Alright, y'all stay tuned. Alright, we got the net, man. Come on, man. Do your duty over here, man. You be fired. Let's go. There you go. All right, Les. What's up, man? Y'all ready to see somebody get bit today?
Hey, I'm feeding that gator over there, bro.
Oh, that gator right there? Yeah. That gator be glad to have him.
He's coming.
Here, what up them plier things there? Hold on. All right, what's your name, man?
Gage. Got the
man.
pliers?
Yeah. Here, open this up for him.
You gonna go feed him that gator?
Yeah, go ahead, you want to? I guess everything got to eat. Oh, he right there. You might have to cut his tail off a little bit. Give it to him.
He'll probably take the whole thing, bro.
But he might run, though.
Yeah. You see that gator? Look, he's waiting for him too. He gonna run. He might do that.
Kill a lot of people.
Throw it to him.
Go ahead, man. You want to?
Try to get in.
I guess he was not hungry.
Fired. Fired, bro.
All right, y'all. We just having some fun, y'all. Y'all staying tuned. All right, y'all. We out of here. We fished a day and we caught one gar and stuff. Had a couple bites and stuff though, but you know how it is. New area, fishing it, seeing how it is and all that stuff though. That's what you do and stuff though. Find a new place to fish and try them out. See how it is, you know what I'm saying? So I mean, it's like it's a good area right here. You just got to figure it out. I mean, look at it. You see that pier behind me? You look nice, y'all. Look nice. It's nice and all that stuff, though, man. You know what I'm saying? Come up here, do you some fishing and all that stuff. Fun to do and stuff. A lot of people come up here and fish. Feel like. No, it's one gar. One gar. That's it. You know what I'm saying? So this how it is out. You know what I'm saying, man? You know what I'm saying? That's why it's called fish. Sometimes you can't catch a fish all the time and come out. But the object is having fun, spend some time outside and doing what you like to do. So that's what we do. So we on our way home and stuff. Get ready to pack the car up, go home.